So, the Xiaomi Mixed Flip is the phone, according to Gizmo China, that's going to change the whole entire game and change the flippable phone industry. Let's talk about it. So, this is the Mi Mix Flip. And again, it's coming from Xiaomi here, which it definitely looks interesting. So, first thing I can see, and I want to point out, is the under-display cameras in the left-hand corner. It looks like a dual under-display camera here. We also have a dual camera setup on the back with a little mini LCD screen. Obviously, the hinge. I mean, it looks actually really not that bad. Like, it actually doesn't look bad. It just looks like this would come out, like, a couple months, a couple years ago, right? Like, before the Z Flip 4 started changing things and Z Flip 5 actually gave us the display. So, yeah, so this is a little dual under-display camera here. I don't know how it would change any market or change the game. Faster chargers for foldables. First internal specs powerhouse under the fold. So this has a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Okay. A dual screen design for enhanced functionality. Camera system, a blend of power and potential. Production grade, a competitive edge. Yeah, actually, that is a good point here. How much does it cost? Because if this is like $200-$300 USD in the end, I know it's going to be released in China, but if it ends up being $200-$300, this actually might not be a bad idea or bad phone. It will launch in Q3 of 2024. Yeah, like, again, price tag wise, see, like, it's not bad if the price tag is right. If you put this as a $200 phone, and again, like I said, this is a China exclusive, but I'm saying if it did go international, for like a $200 phone, that wouldn't be bad. I mean, that would be pretty good for the price tag. Everything is correct depending on price tag. If you have a phone, you're like, oh, this phone's kind of, well, I don't know about it. But if the price tag's correct, then it could easily be a W. I mean, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. It's going to be a powerhouse, and it's going to change the industry. I would say it's a game changer because the under-display camera. We have, what? Actually, no, that's not a game changer. The Z Flip series has, every single flippable phone has a under-display camera in the middle, the punch hole camera. But this is a double. This is a dual camera, it looks like. So, I guess that would change up a little bit. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. See you guys next one. Peace.